Ragashanti in the building, the king of Mixup. Ruth Levy's here, Ruth to the Q to the producer is here. DJ Chris Cross is here, and he's using his fingers like he usually do. That's on his, what you call it, Serato, right? On his Serato, okay, so we don't want to get it twisted. Fancy Cat in the place in a new white watch. Fancy Cat get a new white watch. Ruth, remember see the watch in Fancy Cat watch? Well, you see me, you know, fear is fear. I used to when I fear and say something don't look good, people say a bad mind, my bad mind. But I always fear. That watch the shot. That watch the shell down Fancy Cat. I not like Fancy Cat. That watch that one drop D watch.
I have to go with the shirt.
What you say? Fancy Cat in here, Chris Crash, I don't know. I say your watch not go with your shirt.
No.
What you mean you don't know? Then a boss say we that for done. No. Fancy Cat, come on as a come down him. Come on as a come down him. So wait, then a boss say we that. Here in a tenement here. You know something I really know if she look good. Fancy Cat. What you mean Sheldon? Oh, no, you run now cause the man just walk in at the place now.
No.
Go where you idiot, you take back your chat. You idiot, you take back your chat. Oh, we rate man who talk things and stand up and defend that. Oh, you talk about the Sheldon as a man coming out. Where you think you're going to get that back to that? Well, you talk first, Fancy Cat.
All right, I'm not hear what him say. So I don't want
the man quietly say, the man quietly splash you up. The man say, yeah, it look good, but I don't know if it match the shirt still.
Yeah.
The
watch. Well, here what now?
Yes, sir.
The watch, we never really plan the shirt here.
Done the boy.
You see me? When I really plan for the
come on for your phone and listen, yeah.
When I really plan for the inner the vehicle, so the watch is just a cover for now. When we dress later, can we have a show if we're going to deal with that? A Black River. And I really the shirt and shoes that.
Right.
You see me? But if I splash, I can tell him same cream shirt want wash.
What?
Where's that no cream?
Well, and a cream, but that's supposed to be white.
Oh, sorry, Chris.
Chris, answer the man. I just splash on the man and you can't answer the man. No.
Talk to me, no biggie. Sorry, Chris.
Me mama.
I live with Mixup shoulders.
No man, I real proper Mixup. Just I know say you're not gonna do it. You want to hear him say quietly too. No, but I don't know if it go with the shirt still. No,
but I'm lying. I'm afraid to say.
When it go with the Marina.
Yeah, the Marina. I'm about to say that too.
You go to say that?
Go more with the Marina.
All right, that's the word.
No,
shot. Go cat the watch shot door. Me not like.
You know what name?
What?
Quest.
I want to Michelle.
She look for it and think I guess.
She think I guess.
But a quest.
A quest. No, it a go on though. No, it a work. Because a cheap and clean we saying. Cheap and clean. Some of them don't even 1,000 what?
Local.
Oh, local. Okay.
Not Jamaican,
local.
I
said, can't you really pay $1,000 for a Quest watch a foreign? $1,000 US a Quest watch.
Listen, man, until I win the lotto, I spend them $1,000 on material things.
Yeah.
Because when you have money where you can't burn, you can't do certain things.
Right.
But when you have money where you need to get money pan, you have to be careful. You can't go around a back road and just buy any girl. You have to buy the combo.
Yes, the combo. That's a shot, you know. They have 2 for 1 and 3 for 1 special.
Yes.
And you can't get your meal with fries.
That's right. The combo deal. You don't know what is the fries. You don't know what is the fries.
You don't know what is the fries.
The fries like the fryers. Mm-hmm. So when you get the combo, you bring a side order.
She still not really know yet, you know. Give her a little bit more code, make she see
that's
she can
right.
get
So you buy one girl, you know, the combo is like, say, all right, normally you pay 3 bills or 3 grand for just a sort out.
Yeah.
But you pay 3-5 and you get the sort out. Now you do the next part now.
You get the side, you get a side order.
That's right.
You get a side.
But you want the whole thing now, you get a fryers, you pay 5 grand. And you get the sort out.
You get the sort out.
This and a extra.
Yeah, like you get one with seller and you get one just a bus.
That's right. That's right.
And we are not objectifying and commodifying women. We're merely seeing some humor in some other things. So some of the bossy people who get it twisted more time and sit and whatever, this and that. So, Kat, you go do?
Yeah, you know, as we say, so them give you a short on the laptop.
Yeah, all that.
Or them short to them say, yo, if you can't give 100, and then them hang up.
Wait, 100 what?
Almost $100 because...
The only other 100 is 100,000.
No, that them say give 100,000 and then them hang up. So I said, crave a choke puppy. Because there's so many things. No, but there's so many things them get. Jewels, BlackBerry.
Yeah.
You get iPad.
Yeah.
You get 3 brand new pair of sneakers.
Yeah.
You get clothes.
Don't live for the...
You get the Pepto-Bismol.
No, man. Don't live for the tree buckle. The I like the joke. Yeah. I am going like you want to live for that.
But we don't want them use the one because I will carry the one.
Yeah, no, but you are right. You know one way you can find out who take the laptop. You see, anytime you go like any little place, and you see a brother give a whole heap of joke, and you know say he wasn't a joker before.
Yes.
He might use the aisle. He might use the aisle. It's
simple as I say, better them do. Just drop off the laptop.
For real. I
mentioned money. There's so many things in the back when to make money off. What jewels in it and them things there. What? 100 and...
I will make a appeal again, P. What the number? What give you back the number?
408 4411.
408 4411.
Yeah.
408 4411.
It's bungler money. Because we have people all about on the road. I call when I say, well, I can't have to just say the word, you know. I say louder. But because I tell just want the laptop in my reach out, you know.
Cooler, man.
Maybe my son to this. Why them feel like so okay then for charge them feel laptop. But doesn't make no sense.
I might tell her Christmas I want people careful still in our kind of thing are wicked out there. And the man might get beer face and just
I like one on the trail I go home. One on the trail I go home.
Yeah.
Just trail me go home if you don't want. Just trail me go home.
All right, my king, hold it. Hold it. We don't want certain people know certain things.
Remember, quest.
Yo, that better know so them don't make a look for your watch and say, I want to know what time it is. Chuck, yo, hold it here, my dopes. Hold it here, dopes, because I don't want them extradite. Next thing you know, you have to call a driver for put on a wig and roll out. Cause remember them tell them, are you a favor? Yo, you know, see, what him name the Bongo Small write to an article, man, and him, a nice little article, I go and read it. But basically, him a see value in my thing and him make some, in terms of continuity, in terms of Miss Lou and Baba Tunde and all them people and whatever. But the man I say, at the end, the man I say, because you don't know Ragashanti favor Dodo, son. So I say, yo, me, whatever, I fancy cat him did I write about the whole time and whatever. No, so I ask Michelle, right, you know, I ask her, I want to talk the truth.
Which one are we?
Between me and Fancy Cat.
Well, you have the body, me have the wig.
Well, you have the But the argument done this. Cat, nobody go on like say, oh, like you know, bigger than me, you know. But you have the body, me have the wig. And think, you know what Chris Cross favor? Like which not Chris Brown, no. No. You make a mash up Michelle, you know, I make she get bring there. Jeremy, you make a make Michelle get miserable right, you know.
Don't.
You know things that Chris Cross favor T.I.
Not really. Not really.
I'm not no favor T.I. either, so.
I'm not no favor T.I. either.
But you know, say T.I. is not my man.
Come on, baby.
A man say your man no favor T.I. either, so what the issue?
Nothing wrong. You can't have two of the same thing.
Wait.
You can't have two of the same thing.
Who are man favor?
Who are man?
Yeah.
But no are man.
Okay. Well, on
Phantom.
Ruthie, Chris Cross no favor. Fiori Henry. Ruth say, you're crazy.
Raga could have passed a drunk, by the way, you know. With the Jericho.
Yeah, the one Ruth, wicked, you know. Ruth say when Chris Cross have on glasses in favor Clark Kent.
No, not really.
Chris Cross, I you say Superman. Oh. Them for no. Up, and away. It's a bird. It's a plane. No.
Mama telling you who Raga favor.
What?
Raga
favor Dodos.
No, Raga have a pinky mentality, but a brain head.
A brain head.
You have a pinky mentality.
Okay. You know, like, it's my search for the humor in that.
They know you. I'm saying, you look like
no, my search. You never get no. You never get okay. No. I love the cartoon and I love the brain. And I Pinky and the brain because him say take over the world. Okay, but Jano, me did that. You know.
Watch Jeremy with the flashlight, but my look
people, Jeremy, I look all over the studio with a flashlight, I think. And I look and can't find the joke. Jeremy, not mad. No, Jeremy, the case never do, you know. From over our big yard, Michelle, legendary them here, you know. She have a way for come, guys, oh my God, OMG, I have a joke, oh my God, I can't even start, oh my God. And it's always, I look at if you say I take set part in a JR. You know what JR said today? I asked him, like, you know, so, you know, who was solving the case? And JR said, my pillowcase. Oh my God, you don't get it,
We're like, oh God.
No, then that may say that you do. And then she have the nerve to look for me and say, what is wrong with you guys? You don't get it.
No, but sometimes
it's time I was 10 with it, you know. That 10 with it, and the whole way I look for her like, Jesus. It reached a point as soon as she said, OMG, I have a joke. We just start walking. We're like, oh, Jesus.
Jermaine, sometimes it's funny.
No.
You want a crack one?
You know, see the man, no, when you say crack one, it could not be a joke.
No, you won't.
Knowing you, it could be your little belly problem. Don't crack one in the studio. Go crack one in the bathroom. And people why you crack one because the way you roll from what there, we don't know what one in your belly.
Don't worry.
A piece of wire.
I prepare myself for my llama.
No, PNP and JLP are war in your belly from what the election are coming in your gut. And think as a bear ear, come on. Crisscross. It's an old school Thursday, and I look at vibes up in that place. We used to mix up and blend that straight, and it's all about joke and fun. And I look at alternative for the laugh and enjoy on yourself. Zine, a sour thing set. Zine. Yeah, cross, kick it out. Old school Thursday.
This is the day this is. This is me, the man alongside.
The angel.
Representing for
Ragashanti.
Yeah. The man remove the auntie. Zaga.
Drumming my pain with his fingers.
It's time for... Can you believe it? True stories from around the world that make you say, Papa Jesus, then anything really can go so mad. And today we're in Nassau in Bahamas. Nassau in the islands of Bahamas. Yeah. And listen, this is a true story. And I'm going to read it just the same way how it right. So dirty people who want to come take said Pam when go about to the business. It's a real story out there. I'm going to read it just the way it right. This, well, it goes. Wife leaves husband for a gray hair lesbian. Wait a minute, Michelle. That's a topic alone shot.
That's not alone shot.
But why do I have to say gray hair? Why do I have to put in a... When I say, well, it's not even a young lesbian.
Yeah.
It's a grey-hair lesbian.
All for all.
No, but you know what says the wife of an MP, a member of parliament. I can read the mix-up. The wife of an MP is finding new pleasures in the flesh and has abandoned her husband cold in the bed for another woman. The love triangle began following a meeting of the women at the 2009 Free National Movement Convention last November. One of the more popular ladies in red had just arrived at the conclave from a long trip in North America. With frigid temperatures and no love in the bed, desperation was set. Can be heard choking under mounds of pressure whenever his wife journeys to the United States. Make we put it in a patois. Over in Nassau, Bahamas, a member of parliament in government. His wife went to a convention, the National Movement Convention last November, While she was there, she met a woman from the United States. Something good, but the woman from the United States who is a lesbian stepped to her, and the wife of the member of parliament got dash out the sitting gear. After she dashed it out and thing, it must have did shatter her wicked or whatever. But the wife started making trips to the United States to get more sort out from our grey-haired lesbian. And when we say grey-haired lesbian, that is what is written in the report here in the story, a real thing. Now the MP, the husband, stress a take him about it. And a beer balling him depon. Him just a ball, but probably a ball worse than Current Spencer. You understand? And when you say every time the wife fly out and gone to the United States, a beer headache can reach him. To the point where him are dropping at the polls right now, and indications are him going to lose him scene. Because big and serious, you know say, any man MP out here, where a lesbian go take away him wife, and him wife a fly out regularly go and get her fix up and a come back. You think so Jamaicans would have vote back for him? You think Jamaicans would have vote back for him? Talk you got truth. You think Jamaicans have vote for him? You think Jamaicans have vote for a bally man, a man with a ball, and say she gone up, they gone dash out, they sit now. Yeah, that's how she don't want my wife.
Come back now.
She don't want banana plant again, a straight throat, so she say. My wife. She don't want banana plant again.
Well, worse if them have kids, you're like, Mommy. Because after your mother have finished, you call the wife Mommy, you know.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Boy, I tell you, it's sticky upon him, but him for stop ball and big man up the thing, I want me to him. Him not know say when you in a leadership and thing, people not like see them farmer weaknesses there. We understand him pain, but you see it. You have to hold it and thing and strength. The people don't want to ball man and lead them.
You need to drop her like a bad.
Yeah, you need to drop that and move on. Come down to Jamaica and thing. Drop for somebody down here and think I could give Medusa or something. So there you have it, people. A member of parliament over in Nassau, Bahamas. His wife go on convention last November, meet one lesbian from the United States. And the lesbian step to her and take with the thing. And must give her a proper swipe and all those things. And probably strap her and thing and fix her up properly. She not stop traveling. You know a good work that, you know. Any work make you travel a good work, you know.
Just a fly.
Any work make you just a fly, so.
He's mingling with
I buy
the
tickets, so. A good work that, a good. Any work make you just a fly, so a good work that, you understand? And now our husband, big leader, member of parliament, a bally every day and thing, and out for lose him seat. Poor thing. That one!
Believe it? Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Welcome back to the Mixup and Blenda, sitting with me, the king of Mixup, Ragashanti. Blessings and respect to all Massive and Crow. Well, we here say since Tantan win the clash with Stunt yesterday, Tantan they on a piece of hype. Me here say, what? Where you say, Chris Carr?
I'll move to me.
I'll move to you?
I'm me next.
Are you next?
Yeah,
I want him to ask you for cool.
I want him to that tear up label, man.
You want him to that what? What you call want him to that tear up label? What you call that tear up label? Me never hear that one day yet. You that man. Dirty tear up label, get it. You know, even on the back of good. No, but everybody tell me, say, yo, I want to fly up in a Tantan edge. She does a hype.
I'm a letter for be our friend.
What?
Alright, letter for be our friend. After we never Google her and see her yet.
Then when I don't know Tantan the hype, so we the one look at class. Tantan, understand this. This is stunt seller, but stunt and a clash artist.
Exactly.
Stunt just talk and then the thing
Stunt
seller.
a radio artist.
Yeah,
Probably what I mean, stunt now.
No, that's true. No, hey, you know what? Mixup and Blenda, because Mixup and Blenda people who can free up and talk when they want to talk on the radio on the depot. When they can free up and talk when they want to talk in the clash. Yo, since Tantana hypes of people, since Tantana, anybody want to clash Tantana, Mixup and Blenda, me couldn't. What Chris God, me never know she step to you. And I want all people, what you say?
Alright, letter for be our friend. And then me and the ear she post it on the wall.
What a piece
of... alright for be our friend. No, can't.
And anybody who don't know who Tantan is, her name on Facebook is Ugly Betty Sutherland. Oh, so one piece of hype she did on. I want somebody done. I want a Seki fix up our business. I want, anybody want class Seki, you know, me couldn't know, because Seki back coming will be there. And she'll be on stage.
Where your little friend of the name, down at the broadcast, down at the tree, the wholesale baker, and some of them are where did a clash with Biggie.
Hot and spicy.
Yeah, man.
Hot and spicy, yeah.
Tantan need hot and spicy.
Hot and spicy.
Yeah.
Wait a sec. Hot and spicy for clash
Hot
Tantan.
and spicy and Tantan.
Hot and spicy, I love it, you know? Hot and spicy love the clash too, you know, man. Hot and spicy, why you clash Tantan? Why you clash Tantan? Because you give Biggie a little fix up down there. I'll know Biggie to recuperate for that one. No, hot and spicy, but me fear, you know. So if Tantan did win yesterday, she win yesterday.
She win,
and
man.
thing. But you see, hot and spicy know it in terms of clash. Hot and spicy no punchline.
And she doesn't wait for creeping.
Yeah, hot and spicy no clash. So we're going to see what I want. We're going to see what I want. We're going to see what I want. Tantan a hype, so one little small winner you want, so I want to them. You know when somebody get like a VW and things, so them a drive a Hummer. You understand? I don't know what I'm to see. Actually, she don't even know like weight, you know, because she maga, so she don't know substance. Oh, but anyway, that look nasty this when she done with me, by the while I murder. All right, we're going to go to the phone lines right now. Moving to the phone lines right now. Remember, so the topic is, why you need for them to keep your man and woman? What are the things you're doing right now in order to keep on a man and to keep on a woman? What are the things you're doing right now in order to keep on a man and to keep on a woman? Call in and tell me, talk up the things and tell me what we're doing right now to keep on a man and to keep on a woman. To the phone lines we'll go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Raga.
Whoa.
I mean, you're supposed to call back from the info yesterday. You called me yesterday, we couldn't talk.
Oh, what we call it yesterday, couldn't. Oh, yes, you're right. So,
yeah.
Oh, yeah, man. So, I'm going over to Christiana there. So, I'm going there now. Talk to me.
Yeah. Christiana every time.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, we was talking about the lady who called in and said she admit and tell him man say him start out on him.
Yeah, wait, when she got say she got give him bone and then she got tell the truth.
Yeah, give him bone and when him done him come back come explain.
Right, okay.
And me, I tell you, say, personal, for me, it's a no-no.
You not go tell the man. You would tell the man say you give him bone?
No.
Okay. Why?
Your right hand know, your left hand not supposed to know it.
Okay, your left hand not supposed to. Okay, your left hand not supposed to know where your right hand do.
No, that's why you just put on the married band for the right hand alone.
Okay.
For the left hand alone. If you notice a two hand you have. So the married band shape on the married band and the other hand free. You notice you can't clap out the shoot.
You can't do what?
That the hand can rise up. And put that and the married band pushing in your pocket. So then I'm there, I'm going to tell she says she needs to go look a man for herself because that the man already gone.
What you mean?
That man is no longer hers.
No, but the man say he want to marry her.
Look here. He ma abuse her. Look here, he ma walk and look over him shoulder. He ma go, mama, she have to stop filthy. The man, before he reach her mama, the man did wait for him long time. So you say because the brother know she go tell the truth and she give him bun. The brother get insecure and watchy or whatever. So she don't have no happiness. She only live because of material things, but at the same time, she don't have no love there. So I'm going to show you one little key point.
Yeah.
What she needs to look in at. What if she meet one of her old-time school friend or one of her old-time man and just give her a hug and a brace? Right that time, man, I see the man they did born with him with, you know. If you man depend on a little ends down and see her, you know.
So yeah,
say some hug can be very personal and some hug is just a hug to say hi.
No, the point you're making is anytime she even just innocently like hug a man or whatever or say hi or hang out whatever, it's gonna be constant problem from him just because she could tell him say she give him bun. Hello?
Right. Because guess what? You can't. Yeah.
So she should. So she shouldn't tell him the truth then.
Because no, it's not everything honesty working now.
What that?
If everything is working as I to the whole, it's honesty, honest. Well, like when you're honest, if honesty is working right across board, the whole that have right now. We would not space from the death for me and you.
All right, then suppose you there with a man who say the worst thing could have happened to him is when the woman who him love and care for. Because remember, say he's a good man, you know. Come tell him like. I'm saying him not like liar, particularly from the person who him there with. And you know say your man stays so. And the man says the worst thing you could have done to him is go tell him a wicked lie and whatever. You'd have still tell him the lie.
Raga,
yeah?
what you don't know, don't hurt you is what you know.
Okay, so you say if him no know say it's a lie, it not gonna hurt him.
It not hurt him.
Okay. Then suppose him go find out. Suppose him find out.
I want him find out a lie. My song say, you see me on the couch, it wasn't me. I will sing a song.
So when you say, I want him find out, you tell him say, I never you.
I know me. I want him see me on the camera. Me just out it. Meanwhile, we talk. Me I take my finger and I cut it 2 years. And I say, I know me this. You don't know me. You can't look for me and say me.
Okay.
I know me.
So you tell.
Guess what?
Yeah.
Here, why I'm gonna make sure I can not say I know me. Anytime you have your man and give away start out, remember, look here, never share one story with you. One of my, not me.
Hold on. Your phone a break up again. You know?
It a break up?
Yeah.
But me I hear you all right, so I don't know where I'm going.
No, me I tell you say your phone a break.
You hear me?
Yeah, go on talk now. Yeah.
All right. Never share a little, what happened one Christmas like this.
Yeah.
When I live in Portmore, this girl have a man.
Yeah.
But cheat on him like how this girl cheat. And the man come here and tap on his phone say.
Hold on. It's when you talk about the girl, say she here. Don't say him. Say she, because it get confusing.
Okay.
Yeah.
She cheat on him. And him come here and tell him.
Hold on, darling. The tech up people, you not hear it, but we are hear it. Your phone a break up wicked, here. Hello? Yeah, tell her your phone
it's a break up.
Your phone a break up wicked.
I don't know how it's a break up.
Man, I probably cheap phone you have.
Yeah, I want a cheap one I have, yeah, but I have one razor too, but the razor still at the trouble. Two of them get trouble.
Darling, you better start them up because the razor was so 2005.
Yeah, but it's alright. Me soon start them up a 2 cheap one. I know how to know about that. It's what you have to use to tell. Me only want to call and say I and hello and me get the money.
I know, man, I don't.
It's about the cheap one.
What you say? That's why I for call and say I and hello and get the money. Pipe.
Anyone the car where the cheap one make that expensive one make and get the money, the cheap one make it tough.
All right, then sort out that here. All right, take care. Yo, well, she don't use, she said, yeah, me have one cheap one, but me have a razor too. That is like, me have one cheap one, but no more you say, me have a phone with shot, me have a razor. When you said me have a pause up a while ago, I said, no, she didn't. Did she just say that the real? No, sir. My girl, upgrade. Since you get the money, upgrade. If it's even a 2010, conquer. God, that'll go sound better. If it's even a 2010 Coral phone, that'll go sound better than the 2005 Razor. Any Razor will make 2005 no sharp again. Here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Raga?
Yeah, my day, I know.
Yeah? Raga?
Oh, they call him sound so today.
Raga?
Yeah.
Yeah, hear me now?
Yeah, man, may I hear you?
You know who just talk to you?
No.
Oh, I call him from Sentino.
Who?
I call him from Sentino, you know?
Calling for, me know you?
Me just company line, you know.
Oh, I realized that. Amazing. You actually...
Big greetings to you, man.
Yeah, no, that's amazing. You just came on the line. Thanks for telling me. Now me know.
No, because me there I listen your show, Raga.
Okay.
Yeah, me there I listen your show and I call.
Okay.
You know how long me want to call your show?
Okay, Colin, so what go down here now?
Yeah, give me that bless, Raga.
Yes, man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, me got that whole person on me. I listen you right now.
For real?
Yes, man. I want to look up and tell me where I go to call you. And I go answer phone on the line.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to tell you how to get a big Raga.
Chuck.
Raga.
Chuck. Chuck out there, man.
Raga, I want to put the water because I listen to you, Raga.
Chuck.
No, Raga, I can't stop, Raga. I can't stop.
You can never stop.
No, Raga, I'm telling you, stop. Listen to your show, tell you. Either you dead, Raga, or me dead.
All right, you know. So about the 2 we go and live.
Yes.
Yes, man.
Raga.
So, Colin, which
Raga, you know what them call me down there, the nickname?
What them call?
Yeah, I want old dog, them call me down there.
What them call you?
Old dog.
Old dog, them call you down at St. Elizabeth. No.
Big up me party. Yeah, them can't stop you so no time.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Raga, you know what's the next neighbor, Raga? You see the next neighbor?
Yeah.
Now I'm up in war already, Raga, to you.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yes, Raga.
What did that?
Me can't tell you name, man. Me can't tell you name, man. Raga.
No, don't tell me him name. Don't say him name. Don't say. What that?
Yes, the woman don't want me listen to show.
You're.
I'm up in kick off.
Well, on. Who know why you listen to show?
What am I neighbor, woman?
Your neighbor woman know why you listen to show.
Right, I never tell you about the time. Me said no. Me must say call him name.
Okay, don't call her name. Don't call her name.
No. Big respect, Raga. Them can't stop us show no time.
All right, Papa. So,
yes.
And which part of Santa you call from? Which part? Bird Ground.
Yes, Santa Cruz, P.O.
Santa Cruz, Angel, Bird Ground. Large up yourself, Colin.
Yes, I don't want to big up there because we are going to keep her down Saturday night.
All right.
Yes, some of them don't want to universe already have the roast one.
You see?
I said, go ahead. No problem, I hypocrite no be. Rather better enough for you right now.
See it there?
Yes.
All right, Colin, you take care here.
Yes, you take care, me boss. Big up here.
All right, Colin.
Big respect here.
To the world.
To the world, rather. To the freaking world.
To the Colin said to the flipping world again. Say it again.
Rather, to the freaking world.
And see the one them I fight against you and said, dirty people, go away.
Dirty people, go away. And the can't stop, rather.
Mad.
Mad.
Cuss them out, Colin. Cuss them. Tell them to go away.
Stop, rather.
Never. All right, Colin, you take care here. All right, Papa. Okay. We have to give Colin 10 points for enthusiasm there, you know. Here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello. Good afternoon.
What's up?
I'm okay. Raga, finally get through.
What's going on?
Anyway, Raga, I noticed nobody now call a talk about the topic.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So, me personally believe, and my friends believe, that there's nothing you can do to hold a man.
There's nothing you can do to keep a man?
No, there's nothing you can do for hold a man.
Hold on. That just sounds so dismal and discouraging. And
no, it doesn't sound discouraging. Listen, from one thing to anything, listen, I can put it this way, Zin, you only get 80% of what you want out of a person, whether a man or a woman.
On average, right?
On average, you cannot get the whole 100. There's no way you can get 100% out of the man or the woman.
No, but there are people who whatever, the 70-80% and them hold them relationship. Put it this way, you cannot say they have not been successful relationships.
No, we're not saying that, you know.
Right.
Nobody said that.
Okay, but
relationships can be successful, but it's not going to be based on one thing, or on, like, some people are gonna say, all right, them do this, them do 3, some them do 5, some them do 6, some them do whatever, them cook, them clean, them whatever. So if a man love you, him only gonna deal with you because of that, and that simply means I'm gonna use you, or you're gonna use the person.
No, what you say, Ruth, bring her, because we're gonna talk to her. Ruth, start out that the film, because, all right, I could go back to the call, you know. Yes, Carl.
Mm-hmm.
All right, what may I say to you is this. You are saying that if people stay together, the reason them stay together is what? What you say about it?
No, I know. No, don't get it twisted. Whenever say, like, naturally, you're going to adapt to certain things, or you're going to like certain things about a person, like you're going to actually stay with them or for them. That's natural. You're going to like them because of some kind of reason. We get that natural, but me, I said, there's nothing you can do, as in to say, me, I going to do something for all a man, because enough people are going to call and say, them give them man 3 or them cook him every evening, or them whatever. So what? You're a helper? Because if that means that you cook him every evening, means that, why I'm like the helper, I'm like the free helper, I must start, why I must stay? Because if it's because of sex, quote unquote, because of sex, then you will say because of the sex, and that simply means that you're getting used for your sex.
No, you know that I am not understanding you, and on another level, I am understanding you, but what I'm understanding doesn't make sense. And basically, you're saying that people are going to calling and say them the tree some or them cook fame or them wash fame or whatever. So you are saying you're in a different way. You're saying those are not valid reasons for saying somebody's staying with you. That's what you're saying, right?
Yep.
Okay. And my submission to you at this point is, when somebody say, "Me valid a person there, so me nah left a person there," it has to be a reason or reasons.
More of a psychological reason, like probably personalities, but not necessarily because of one thing or.
No, but darling, nobody wasn't saying it's one thing. I mean, what I'm saying, the people are saying different.
But say what keep a relationship going? You say what you do for all your man or your woman, whatever which way you want.
No, but what I'm saying to you is, all right, I know a man right now, fame woman. One of the things where she do, she's real good at managing money, and she's very trustworthy with every cent. He says that's what, because he's very wealthy and so forth, and he needs somebody who he can trust. More so, he need a partner who he can trust and whatever. He says that's one of the reasons why he will never, ever leave her for another woman. And what I'm saying to you is that is something that she is doing. Do you understand? She's doing. She's.
I understand.
Hold on. She's managing his money effectively. Yeah. She's managing his money effectively, and she's making sure that every cent is accounted for in a way where him trust her. So she had do something where I cause him to say him not leave her. Do you understand now?
Yeah, because him not leave her, him not leave her because she trustworthy. That's why him not leave her. Him can trust her. I understand that, but don't say him not leave her because she can manage the money. I know other people could have managed the money, but problem the managers are robbing.
But I don't.
So, and not necessarily the thing you do, but the personality, the quality.
You're not making sense, you know. You're not making sense. But I am saying that this woman is doing something that is causing him to say he will not leave her. Do you understand that? It's irrelevant if other people would have thief him. In fact, to say that other people would have thief him, what you're actually doing is strengthening my argument. Because that's the same thing he would say. He would say, other women would have thief me. She never thief me yet. Not only that, she managed the money where the money make money. So he must say, why would I leave a woman like that? That is the argument he must make. So I say, when you say what other people that thief him, you're basically strengthening the argument that this man is making and that I am offering to you. To say that this woman is doing something where this man, a very successful man, very powerful man, very rich man, can say, him would never leave him woman. And him not talk about sort out, him not talk about looks and whatever. Him say him would never leave this woman because in all them years, him never find a woman yet will make fee money, make money. Him say him don't even have to send out the twice to find way for making money, make money. And he can account for every cent and thing. He must say, in a them day and age, why would he? But just I get the argument to him and making. He must say, would be a damn idiot for go leave this woman for any other woman and go take a chance with another woman right now. But the point I'm making is that is something that she is doing. She is doing something because him for say, ratted, me nah left that woman there. So it's irrelevant if other people would have thief him. Really, the relevance is that it just strengthens the argument with the man I make. You understand that?
Alright, but basically, me feel say personality more your personality will more make a person stay with you than actually physical attributes. Then.
Personality is broad, real quick.
Personalities as in qualities, inner qualities. We're not talk like looks and shape
right.
or how you start out or things like them. But as I say, like you're trustworthy, you're caring, you understand, you actually.
That's a good point.
You know,
that's a good point.
Yes.
That's a good point.
I wouldn't mean like what you do. Well, it's not what you do, but it's why you do it. Then put it that way. Then like
yeah, but if there's a if there's a why you do it, you still have to do it. People, put it this way.
Yeah, because that's the only way. Because
listen. Listen to me.
Why you care about them.
Exactly. You cannot exist in a relationship without doing something. You have to do something. Even when you look like you're not do nothing, really, you're doing nothing. I don't know if that makes sense. So there has when people interact, there's some exchange taking place. There must be some exchange taking place. It don't have to be just sex and money. It could be that, listen, I like talking to this person, or this person makes me happy, or this person uplifts, but there is some exchange taking place, right? And based on what is taking place, you're going to either stay together or you're going to lose that person. Are you going to take yourself out tight?
I understand. That's what I meant to say. Me believe that personality, because think about it. Alright, so when people just there, you see all the man carry go moving, carry go dinner, and carry go yourself. And then, little after now, you see each of them things that make you start like him, you start fall for him and all these things, and him treat you so nice, and him do all these things. Then little later, when the honeymoon, the initiating honeymoon stage of the relationship don't know, him start show him true colors, him not do this, him not do that. Same person, him change. So, me I say, them things, you have to pin them. I think of your personality, like this guy is just your personality, like how you see it. When I think like, I them think they were in, like if him carry out, him go do them something. After a while, if he's not that person, it's a start show say, him another person there.
All right, that's true. And by the same token, you can carry out somebody too and give them a good time, and then you find out say them an idiot too, and them workless too, and decide, say, you know, I can't bother with this either too. Yeah? Or them an idiot, or them not have sense, and them can't think or whatever, and this and that. Blessings here.
All right.
Okay. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, Raga.
Yes, what's up?
How you doing?
I'm there, I give thanks, you know.
Raga, every evening, Miss Long and I listen to you,
All right.
And me here talk something a while ago about lesbian call you.
That what?
And I say, she write here and I say something.
Yes.
Trust me, make sure you keep your mouth quiet.
Yeah.
Because just your voice alone will make any woman want to start you.
Yeah.
I want to do the things them with you.
No, man, she said she see me. And then when she see me, she see how ugly me is, and
please, she can't talk anything.
She said based for my
alone ready.
No man, she said based for my ugliness, she know no woman don't want me, and not give me nothing, and to them not give me nothing, I'm sexually frustrated, and that's why I pick for lesbian. So there you have it, people.
We have to say that, Raga. We have to say that.
So I'm not getting any,
No. You not get none.
None of that, she said.
Well, all right. Tell her, say, anytime you ready, me we start you out and make you know say you get no.
Bye.
Say you get it right and ready.
But it's not the start today, yeah, what she say, it's not the start today, yeah.
Them a fool, them people they are fool. And them frustrated because them don't know what it is like.
No, hold on though. It's not, just so you know, and I say it without apology, I have quite a few lesbian friends. I'm in a island talk.
Me have lesbian friends, you know.
Right.
I have friend with a lesbian, but me say.
But she. Let me tell you what the feelings I care for. You remember when the helper call in and talk about the 4 women them who married woman them? We sort her out. You remember that? The feelings I care for and that come talk up and you remember she said there's a famous radio announcer in the land.
Well, all them have to do.
Well, I'm barely I care for me for that, me understand. Then
tell them to come face you, Raga.
And then secondly, you have some bossy woman who claim say they are for the empowerment of women and whatever. Them eat me like poison, and for years they have been lobbying the Broadcasting Commission to get me off radio.
Okay.
So at them lesbian there.
Well, Raga.
And they have one at a certain institution now who are mobilized people for calling, and them have this organized thing. So it's a minority of them, but they are lesbians, but they don't reflect all the lesbians, because I talk to lesbians all the while who rate me show and love the show and whatever. You understand?
Well, Raga, me know say every evening.
Yeah.
Whether me want to listen to you or not, me have to sit down and listen to you. And me get my belly full of laugh.
There you go.
And my friend listen no other station.
No say a word, man.
You.
Blessings and respect.
I tell you, say, any day me meet you, no, I start you out, Raga. Do the things then, because somebody send me a link with you. We do a little tiny baby smarty.
Okay.
On stage.
Power?
On stage, Raga. With you and the little beanie bit of smarty.
Oh, you mean Mixup and Blenda from last year?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
So guess what? They want to come meet you.
All right, then. So we buck up in our Christmas day.
All right, sir.
That's our word, yeah. All right, blessings,
That's
yeah.
how it go.
Yeah, man.
All the time.
Yeah, man.
And you keep your show going, make them go on. All the bad mind people, them.
You see.
A bad mind, them bad mind, you.
All right, baby love. Blessings and respect, yeah?
Sit down and listen more.
Yeah, man. Protection.
Bye, Raga.
See it there? Blessings. Here we go. Good afternoon again. Hello.
Hi, Raga.
What's up?
Hi, how you doing?
Uh-huh.
Me have two mix-up, but me don't know which one to bust,
Just box it two of them, man. Anyone come out first, come out first. Kick me on them and watch it, not with them, yeah.
I want to tell you, say no. Me dey on a bus this morning. I come from Greater Portmore.
Yeah.
I got a turn.
Yeah.
And this good up girl sit down beside one man, but the man is a serious man,
Yeah.
I want to tell you, say the girl, he's her body side of the body, and he stand up over him, and the man said to her, say, you know, say, I feel, say, you is a body. And the woman starting on a guan,
I'm married. So I want proper good up girl, sit down.
Proper good up girl.
So you feel, say, a sheep up. So how you know a sheep up? How you know?
Me have to move. So the man.
Well, you did overdo and they send box here and you watch it not. So the man turned the my one here. Listen. Hold on. Okay, all right. Hold on. We cool, Jeremy? Okay. Don't say the F word. Don't say the F one. The F one, you know, them already now go like the P one. So but we say poop, you know, but we're not gonna say the F one. But so him turn to her, say feel say she let it go.
Yeah, you pooping her and she start cut.
I'm married. So she start cuss and say, look, I mean, I don't see that the boss. Yeah. Why you blame my bottom for? Okay.
So, rather the man come off right out where the art school is.
Yeah.
Right off the same. Come off. And when the man get up here, man, kill me that.
We're good. When ball out, him still have it and say, kill me that you poop.
Yes, I'm going on in our face.
Wait, he might go down in her face and I tell her.
Yes, I'm doing.
So when I do tell her, say you could have cussed and go and look more. You poop. You poop in the bus.
Rather the bus mash up, man. The bus mash up.
Yo, that man. Hey, but you ever notice that some boys see woman go and like say them can't poop?
Yes, man, yes.
Yeah. Like them go and, you know, do this and that, whatever.
And the other one, now, me go on funeral on Monday, I go down from the Friday night.
Yeah.
To go to the funeral, and a whole heap of people come from foreign for the funeral, you know, so, you know, say, set up big the Friday night, you know.
Yeah.
Then pay one funeral home to take care of everything. So, them never check for nothing, because them feel say the funeral home cover everything. So, Ragad, me I tell you, say the funeral, they set up mad, you know. Big setup, you know. You see all the church, the Saturday for the church, when them go on church, him and thing on the church. Big, you know, Raga.
Yeah.
You see when time we got the dead yard now, the grave side now for him bury. Raga, guess what? No one know that for the man bury, you know. Raga, them have to care about the body of the parlor.
So how come the whole never dig?
Me don't know, because them things said the funeral home cover everything. So everybody them left it up to the funeral home now. So a beer cussing now, them have to sue the funeral home and a beer things, brother.
Getting a lot of funeral homes don't get the pastor fee, you know, some do. Them not get the church fee, you have to get that yourself. And you have to get the, you know, usually through the church, you can't get the link for who are going to dig the grave or whatever. So them turn up but you see, you know what they do is because for them fault, that's slackness that.
Yeah, because them should have go look on the funeral, the whole and
thank you.
Everything. All right.
Thank you.
Before or
thank you.
Like
thank you.
Then leave up everything to the funeral home.
Hey, listen to me. Listen to me.
That happened, but
that couldn't happen to me because I'm not hide and talk. Me have to see the wall before we can put anything in there. Okay, but now I talk. I have to see the wall before you put anything in there. You can't just turn up and go there and then the wall not there for going. You understand? Yeah. You have to see the wall first and feed them fall. Them should have go check the wall before put you in the coffin or whatever. It's for them fall. Check the wall before you go in there. And that we say. Them never look. I feed them fall. They can't be in the funeral one. They all right. I want the duppy box. Them in them cloth. You see? Yeah. Anyway, we love you too, Mixup. Them sell off here.
All right. Big up Patty Belly.
Patty Belly. What are the lady say big up? You know, answer.
Patty Belly.
Big up.
What? Answer the lady, no?
Someone say, all right.
All right. All right.
All right, Raga, love you.
Love you too.
Bye-bye.
Hey, Jamaica, you know, someone say, all right. Now I'm to you, you know, someone say, all right. All right. Okay, big up. Big up. All right. Modern people. Yeah, well, we some fun and enjoyment. Give me a call. We have 1 minute. Give me a call. Hello.
Hello, Raga.
What's up?
Okay, I'm calling from New York. First time caller. You can't just call me good as anyway.
Good as to the world. What's up, good as? What you say?
All right.
Yeah.
Let me tell you a thing now. I don't hear nobody a call in and I really tell you where them do to keep them man.
Yeah.
Keeping them man is not that him won't give a bone and them thing. Him still strain about him know if I come back at the end of the day, isn't me?
Okay.
Anyway, 9 years ago me come to New York and
Yeah.
me there and time run out for me. You don't know where to get start out and come up with the thing I want to stay.
Yeah, paper.
Anyway, me buck up a little Jamaican man, you know. Me a searching about nah feel a little American them. So
yeah.
I want to stick to my own culture.
Yeah.
Buck up a little Jamaican man. Don't have him life set already, you know.
Yeah.
Have him two baby mother them a Jamaica way plan for go home and start out one, you see me?
Yeah.
Like help her out to get her thing for
Get
come
her
up.
thing for come up, yeah.
Anyway, me know so when me a step to that little brother, you know, me have to go step to him smooth and neat, you see me?
Boom.
So I don't have my thing planned out to the road.
Yeah.
Anyway, say when the first when I start take him out now, because him take me out in
All right, hold on there. We just take a break and come right back to you, yeah?
All right.
Don't move. We'll come right back to you. Don't move. Yeah, man. Back to a New York call. Greeting. Back to your caller, yes.
Okay.
So you say you move to the man quietly, you know. You move to the man quietly, you know, because you know, say, I have two baby mother down in Jamaica and and bring up one and
so when time I take him, I have to go attack him smoothly. So I can't come with local command and the local command treatment them, you know. So I know I have to go step to him hard.
Mad.
So I say, all right then. When I start carry him out now, I wait for him for do not spending and thing, you know. Him love seafood, so I can't go places like Red Lobster. Maybe like up to 2 bills and them money there, you know.
See it there.
You see me, I say just for the 2 of we. I now watch that because I don't know me I get back that a woman my name, you see me. So anyway.
Hold on. I like that talk that while ago. You say you spend money on him, you spend your $200 US on him when you carry him to restaurant and thing, but in your mind, you know say you get back that because a woman
I get back that Raga, I'm no fool.
Okay. Oh, yo, Marie, hey, I love how you keep it real. Talk up the things them.
I know me I get back that, so I say I don't even watch that, you know, because I don't have my local work, and I not make a bag of money still, you know, but I don't watch that, because I don't know I have him staff them way there anyway.
All right.
Make the man feel nice and think the man start pay all my rent. My rent is 7 bills a month, you know. Versus that them two bills them when I spend. So you don't know, so me I get back that a long time. So anyway, they don't know, and you know, tough times start reach him and things. So I say, all right, then I can't pay rent no more, come live with me. And that me 1 year in a Raga, because I step that to get my start out, you know.
Okay.
You don't know my paper me I talk about now when you start out.
Oh, yes.
So anyway, when I go live with him now, I'm going to fix up him place and them things. It's all about how you treat a man, make him stay with you.
Mm-hmm.
You see me?
Mm-hmm.
You start, you could have do the start out, you could have flick on your back, you could have go on your eye, lash or whatever you want to call it. Raga, me I tell you, them things they're not old man. Them things they're not old man. Because no matter how you feel, say your body, you must buck up on somebody with bad on you out there. You see me?
Yeah, well, that's true, but at the same time, no, I agree with you. You know, I totally agree with you. Because here's the reasoning now. You see, particularly if a woman get a hot man, or say him sell off, him good looking, him have money, him up there, and people know him and rating. I think it is stupid to think you can hold a man that would only sort out, because if him that hot, if him that sell off, if him got it going on like that, it means you have woman that dash it out upon him and a target him, don't it? So you have to come with something different if you're going to hold that man. You can't get him, you know. You can't get him, you know, but in order for hold him, you're going to have to come with something different.
But
And that
the man, the man now for at and the man now for go, you know. You see me, I say the man can up in a age, you know, and a woman knows him have a look at things touch off, you know. When she dash it on him, she not dash it on it normal, you know.
Oh.
Give him it normal, so him could have boring, him could have look all and pop down. When she a give him, you know, she not give him it normal because she know where she want.
Exactly. But on the other side, though, if a man not used to exceptional sort out, a woman with really good sort out can hold a man with only the sort out, though.
Well,
true or false? True or false?
But me consider them Jamaican man are used to them things.
But that is the point me I get. If it's a hot man or whatever who used to certain things, whatever. But if it's a little man with favor, donkey, but him have proper money and whatever and thing, and him no woman just a boy the way him chamba and thing, him could have it look more them now dash it out upon him because him favor the elephant, like him have elephantitis or something or whatever. But me I say if a one woman go to him and do all some things to him, man, and mash up him head. You have some man that will hold them, but me I say in general.
But for all long.
No. Me say if him not put it this way, if him not have no option to get anything else like that, he must stay weak and lock into it. But the point I'm making also is that if it's a man will have options, that alone now go hold him. And I always find it interesting that women think say it's just sort out to go hold a top man. You understand what I'm saying? Sort out alone can't hold top man. Is that him that does that for him?
Well, my man, you'd consider him as one as a look at top man then, because him go dance and him you know, promote dance and everything.
All right. But what me I say is, you brought something extra where, you know, you do some little things, the way you keep the place.
Yeah, some simple things.
The way you're attentive to him needs and them something. So how it end up?
Well, on a raga, you rush the things.
Sorry, talk up.
Anyway, I'm come in place and fix up in place and make the man feel like a king. Or make him feel like a king. Now, when we are sleeping at the bed, make him sleep at the front. Make him feel like him protect me all the time.
Sure.
When me cooking food for him food first, I come out of the pot.
Sure.
Me just put him first in all things. You see me?
Mad. Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
I always tell him, say, my mother say, when me have a man and him good, me must treat him good. So all him friend them, I make him know, say, you are my king, that. I have some top friend when he move with, you know. So I know them are even boots of the thing. I said, John, my youth, your wife proper. Raga, 3 months after that, me get the ring. Me nice. Me second, you know, me thing on the way.
Well on. 3 months after that, you're married.
3 months after that, me get the ring. Me thing on the way.
Your thing on the way, right, you know?
No, man, it don't start a long time. 9 years ago, me.
Okay.
9 years ago, me I tell you that.
All right, but let me ask you something, though, and this is important. All them things that you do now, what you did I do, and thing, it lock him in, you know, make him say, yo, that woman here, as far as that woman is concerned, it's all about me. She loves me. Here's a key question. You didn't love him, or you just do that because...
You know, me never love him raga them time. But right now, me love him. And 9 years now, me and him, my husband and thing. Right now, me love him gone to bed. But at that time, me never love him. Because through me did out for something. Me did, you know, me did want my thing.
Okay.
At that time, I never love him. But right now, I really love him.
But you actually grew to love him for real?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
That's it.
You know, but I'm glad you tell me this, you know, because you see them things that where people are talk about. You ever hear people use them things about, you can't grow up for love him, man, or you can't grow up for love her. Me always very suspicious of them things. So I'm glad I hear you say it.
Yeah, but I feel you can't hate the person in the beginning, you know. I feel like a feeling.
Feelings, okay.
So I feel have something for them. So they have it for him, but it wasn't no.
Yeah, but I wasn't anything like you just emotionally overwhelmed by him or whatever.
And
because
so you know him don't have him people them already. Him never the two one get caught up in it so quick.
Right. Me understand. Right. So something they did it. But it just never as strong as it is right now.
Exactly, because Jamaican, you know, and him have it sister in a female, you know, I'm afraid that Jamaican them woman, you know, because up there them really think that the Jamaican woman them only want money, them say Jamaican woman love money. Mm-hmm. So you see when time a man attack to you, that they at the back of him head, no feel no way, they at the back of him head, so you can't really too beg him and beg. And a woman not for beg. Them for just no forget them thing and the style.
Well, I say that again. A woman, say that again.
A woman not for beg. She for know how to get her thing and the style.
No, but you have woman like, ladies are sing the song, say some girl are going like them afraid and thing, and ladies are say, beg you some money, no. And then you have some woman make it a kind of philosophical statement like, excuse me, if you don't, no, well, them will say, if you don't ask for it, you won't get it. You need to ask for it and thing like that.
But you have to know to ask for it.
So you have to know if I ask for you to
man, yeah, man, not like beggy woman.
No,
man,
sir.
Don't them think they broke man vibes.
You have one girl on the internet, Ugly Betty Sutherland. She beg man all the way. But you tell the woman them say don't. You know what I mean? Like you have some woman out a phone card, woman. Boy, I cannot take them.
I be a phone card, them I beg like phone card can make them reach no way.
No, but the thing is, me I say. I can understand if you probably want to dash out something from me. But you have a woman that look and say them want there with you and I beg your phone card. Why you think I go there with you if it's a phone card beggar? How you go help me in a life? What kind of support you going to give me when me have my down days? Or when me have figure out how for advance my business? And if it's a phone card begging, man, you're not going to help me.
Exactly. You're
not going to help me. Me no short a coochie. You understand? Where you come as a...
things me get, Raga. Enough things me get. But me not beg it like that.
Right.
Me want a car because when you up here, you have to drive to really make certain move.
Right.
Me want a car, there with my husband. Them time, I'm there with him, man. I don't ever ask him to buy the car. I get my look at tax return. I'm going to go buy one $1,300 car that are US. Them car, they don't really know nothing. Them car, they're old car.
Right.
So, him turned to me and said, why you do that? Why you never talk to me first? Me say, well, him say, you're going to sell that, Me say, well, your choice. He said, the April, that was in like the February. So the April, him buy me a 2005 Expedition. Me never beg him.
But you see,
the put it out and me buy it and him sister, me need something.
Yeah, but you see, you use your money and you go buy something. And to him see a trying woman who have some independence, throwing a burden upon him, you do for yourself and whatever, and that prompt him to say, as a man who, because, I can't tell him I identify with that, because, oh Lord, sorry there, one will heap of bubble gum come up on my watch, right, so I say, man, I bet Michelle put on the bubble gum in there, man. But anyway, but when I said that prompt him to say, no, sir, you see, when you see a woman that try, and she do a thing them and whatever, that prompt him to say, no, sir, as a man, I'm going to step up and make all this thing a better fair. But at least you do something. You understand? You never ask him or whatever you take. You could have taken the tax return and gone splurge pan clothes and all them something.
Yeah.
You could have gone a party, You could have put it where like some woman on top. But that is my money. My money is my money. And your money is our money with them damn thieving self, You understand? You could have gone that whole heap of foolishness and whatever, But you never flex with a thing like that. You never selfish at it. You buy a little pot and you did that whatever. And the man step in and get a better ride. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, not say every woman should like deal with it like how me deal with it still, But here, Raga, if you want something from a man, there's many ways more than you say buy this to me or beg your daughter. Boy, as a man carry nothing not go on, No man, something not go on for you. You see me, I say, and everybody must make know your business.
Listen to me. You see,
not go on for your style and style him, and then in the middle, the ending part of the conversation, now you're bringing something to get back something.
Exactly.
Thing set up a good
exactly.
I tell you, learn from him.
Exactly. Listen, you know what people need to learn to? It's in the literature. Studies have confirmed it repeatedly, and just common sense tell you. People are generally attracted to success. I have a friend in Connecticut. The man is a multimillionaire. He's in investment banking. And him said to me, said the more money I make, the more I have to spend my money. And I said, why? And him said, the more people know how successful me is, the more people want to give me them things. It's a natural thing, I always tell people a story. I'm there one style like you. And I go up when I always buy, like them sell bun and, dry food, razor bread and them something. That means that boy, me love me them time I did a rinse razor bread and cheese and coconut water. And I go up there and I realize I'm not no money. And I say, brother, so I left my money in my vehicle. And a brother was stand up there, him say, Raga, a coconut water, you want? Drink coconut water. In fact, drink 2. And him brethren turned to him and say, like him, I said, Paul, imagine me there, I'm going to beg you $50. And you're saying $50. And Raga come up, Ragashanti come up, we who not need money. and you are buying 2 coconut water, and the response where I use a hypothetical name, Paul, it may not make sense. But if you understand the psychology, it makes sense. Paul say, in reference to me, I want to tell you, them man don't need money, man. Paul would rather give his money to somebody who he perceives as being successful and not need his money than to give to somebody who need it but not whatever. You know why? Paul want to associate with success. Paul feel good with success. You understand? When Paul jump on me or whatever, I'm saying, yo, guess who I'm saying? Not the one Ragashanti. I'll buy him 2 coconut water and make him go and drink coffee. You know them look over there?
And that man like two of the same
exactly. Exactly.
Man like every minute he must spend on you. What me treat him sometime.
You know what me yet? You know what me yet? It's when you call a woman and just before they answer the phone, you hear the little nastiness in the phone and laugh, you know.
Yes.
She'll laugh with her friend, you know, like say she had to pick up the phone and she said, yes, me I tell her something. Hello, who this? Raga. Yes, sir. What? No, I'm not there. I'm not there. I'm not there. Marsha put on the part. I'm not talk to Raga. Look at me. And then a beer int after that.
Yeah.
A beer int after that. I mean, why them look nastiness. I idiot them. You see all them woman I know. I idiot. You see all them woman I know. Me I tell her the truth and me I keep it real. Is that in your mind, if you and them apart, you just a thing forget all a 1 kill and cut. You understand?
Yes, all my husband know him, but I cut left that cause he mean, you know, him tight. I forgot to get him money.
See there. Nowadays, nowadays, you just don't even in and nothing. But nowadays, I just enjoy playing with them. I make them chat out and that, give me the, and things that them have me, man, and I tell me, oh, this now go on and whatever, this and at the end, me I say, yo, just hold it, you know, you don't know if you need somebody to talk to me.
With all the song where ladies are sing, where I say beg you, this and them thing there.
Yeah.
Ladies are, I just sing, ladies are sing that song there.
Thank you, because she's independent.
So she forget already have a ship and she never beg it, you know.
You see it.
Do fair thing and that style and work for fair thing, you know.
Very important point.
I sang that, you know, that you have to just sing that and dance to that, man.
Very important point. Very important point. But, John, I love your look reasoning today. I'm hope that the people that are listening them can get some look of food from it right now if you enrich themselves and start flex. Hey, between me and you, there's a woman in Jamaica, I see the phone card and the hair money. The backside, they can't go to man no attack about. Let me tell you, it's a phone card, hair, nails, phone card, hair, nails, and whatever. And them have a nasty thing to you. See, if you go out, the first thing I'm going to tell you, them not have nothing for wear.
Exactly.
Michelle, why you laugh? Hey, man, you see when them do that, I send nothing to them, I just right away, I just put them in our class, and I say, oh, this so you're there. Good.
Exactly.
And if you're cheap and you're stupid and you want to come clown me out and go around me, I go treat you that way there. And me I go farm the fool. Can me buy you a patty and a cocoa bread and tell you all kind of things what I go do for you? And all them things there. And tell you what I go do for you. Until you dash out the sitting and things, so and so I go run and whatever, this and that. Yeah. I tell them, but I'm glad how you reason out the thing, and I hope the ladies them are listen and thing and know say.
And to end off your topic, it's how you really treat your man. Make him feel like a man. You understand me? I say whatever you take to make your man feel like a man, make him feel like a man. It's not all about the sort out all the time. That play a part too, yeah. But you have to make the man feel like a real big
I have to be
a man.
And you have to be sincere
when you do them things.
And you have to be sincere with that. You have to be sincere.
Right. You have to be compassionate.
Yes.
You have to be considerate and all of that. It's all about...
No, you have some women who know that, you know, but the way them do it, them just so transparent and them fake and think that is a turn off too. Right? You have some women that tell about, Jesus, God, you know, so you're the biggest. No man ever make me feel so yet, you know. Oh, God, oh, you're wicked. So, and them just sound so fake and stupid and dumb. And your mind, I say, no, so that girl tell me feed you.
And that's the next thing. If a man, even if at the first you meet a man to make you treat, so don't make it to make you feel like him are the best man out there. Never you make a man feel that him give you the best treatment. Always make him feel like him normal so that him try and reach above the norm. You understand me?
But at the same time,
make him feel like him too normal, him get comfortably in a position. You have to make him know say you used to things. You understand? You can't go too frightened and go like you're not used to good treatment. All if you're not used to it, you don't have to make him know.
Okay, but at the same...
So you're used to the things them so that him will try hard and him will work hard and him will make you feel like a queen.
Because if him at the best and him there at the top, then probably him not feel same have to work any further.
Exactly, get too comfortable.
Okay. But at the same time, you're saying you must do the little things to make him feel special, though.
Yeah, man. You have to make him feel
Treat
special.
him good.
You have to do that. It's all about, and that make the man really rate you and say, all right, then she really want. Any woman now say, I won't give you a no, because man, a man, you know. Because my husband born me enough time.
Okay.
He born me.
And you know that.
Come right back home at the end of the day, and I mean, me a wife for 9 years.
Okay.
Sweep a 2 foot. I may get him, I may take him, I may keep him.
When you say you sweep a 2 foot, are the baby mother them? Are the baby?
I mean, I sweep a 2 foot, Raga.
You broke 2 foot.
When me get him, I never see no stamp on him. I never see no merchandise stamp on him. I don't know his man belongs to nobody, so me take him.
Hey, I buy.
Money did not take my man, them never come to me and ask permission. So when me I take back a next one, me not ask no permission.
What you say? I just part of the competitive area of the thing, though. I saw it go. A survival, no?
Survival, it name. I may get what I want. I love my husband. We live a nice life now. I'm 5 months pregnant now.
Whoa, wow.
Out of the 9 years, I just get pregnant.
After 9 years, you just get pregnant and thing. All right, now say a word.
On my way to glory, Evan.
Lord God, I know you're lucky, me, you know.
No, I'm lucky. God, I to mix up.
Now say a word, man. A blessings here.
All right, take care.
Yeah,
love
man.
you.
Love you too, darling. And you take care of that and all the best for the baby coming forward and thing. I hope you also just go and work out on the thing here.
Okay, bye.
Manners and respect. Love that little reason there. From the princess there, from the queen there and thing and whatever. And boy, I just hope someone hear some of the things that much I pray and thing and get some and meds it out and see what I can get from it and thing. To the phone line we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, thank you for being patient here.
That's fine, sweetheart. Anything I'll wait for you, darling. Don't worry yourself. Anyway, I have a big mix-up figure, Raga.
Box me, I'm a clot with it.
You have to box in and you're clot with it. Raga, I work with some nasty drunk guys. Jesus Christ. I want to know, say I want radio station. I work, you know, one of the popular one them. I want to tell you, I hear slut in your Raga who are sleeping boss and eat. I say, Lord Jesus, Raga, you know, like man call you and tell you. Jesus
what you say? Then at the radio station appear slut in there sleep with the boss them.
Yes, sir.
What, you serious?
Me not like.
Well, on the 1 second, here.
Yeah,
man. Play a song there for me, play a song. Quick, now, Richie, man. And when you say the whole place, no, what you mean?
I mean, even clients know.
At a level, no, but them can't bounce them things. So.
I say them bounce them things real big. I say them start out properly. Una have picnic for this one year and have picnic for the next one and the whole of them in the same office. I say the worst place this me ever work in my life. One piece of struggle. Lord God, all my friends that work at you know. And then later go on Friday evening when she done her shift. Then give her check. So she called me and I tell me, I say, you're too lie, man. Then me say, she takes me and say, me not telling her, man. The lady just come out, come tell me, say, me get fired. Me say, I lie, I tell. And she say, yes. So I'm going to call the office now, just enough to make fun. When we come to work the Monday morning, I was told to resign her out of the system. So I resign her. But she tell me, so they mix up all one big talk show also come on the station. I'm on in time to, you know.
What the talk show was going?
Big Lord Jesus, Raga, me said the man asleep with the accountant.
The talk show was?
What?
Okay.
Me say them nasty. Me say from the engineer come straight down. From the boss himself come straight down.
No, but why is that nasty? What if they are just grown people who like, you know?
Raga, you can't grow and who like your salary, you know, get your money a month when month end time come. I screw and chat behind people back and it's normal. That is nasty. Okay. I have a man outside personally there with client.
Oh, okay.
Getting the money when I get in a pinch money when clients send no little package or nothing. I get a little money I then I package them.
Okay. That I go on the big time.
I tell you, then in a year them try draw me and they mix up hear them to me the other day. One client send something, I say me don't want it, you know. Me don't want it.
I beat them, I beat you.
Me, I tell you, Raga.
All right,
that's the personal number to call me.
See, that's how it usually go. But listen to me now. Yeah. You just go and be careful and watch your head back and think. We have to go hold a break and when more
Raga, my head back, all my head side, me I watch the back side. Anyway, we done there mix up An Blenda on Christmas Day. You don't know, my mother love you to the world. And big up my friend Cookie Monster. And of course, Sian to the world. Don't know, later boom.
Manners and respect, baby, cool. Oh, Jesus. Well, me have the people in files. So. Here we go. We're going to look a break right now. News and we're soon forward. Check. Yeah, man. Welcome back up in I setting. Okay, here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, man. Respect, yeah.
Yeah, big up to the lady who just called from New York there. Good start. Some good words to give out a while ago.
You see it, for real.
Yeah, man. Anyhow, I want to ask you a question, then the topic. One, give me a take for hypnosis.
Yeah. Hypnosis?
Yeah.
You have to ask a specific question.
What do you think about hypnosis from a psychological point of view?
Are you asking me what is hypnosis?
What do you think about it? Do you think it really works with some people and so on and so forth?
Oh, yes, it does. Now, are you asking me, is it true that people can be hypnotized?
Yes, and if it really works.
Yes, people can be hypnotized. People have been hypnotized. There's a process. There's specific things that can be done to hypnotize somebody, but the recipient has to be open to being hypnotized.
True. Okay. Right. Well, I study that. I study hypnosis. No, with the topic.
Yeah.
With the man having a woman, taking care of the woman and stuff, both of them compatible. He treats her, take her out, to surprise her, cook the dinner for her, and so on and so forth.
Yeah.
And give her all of the goody and all the scenarios and stuff.
Yeah.
No. Put with all of that done and put aside now. One of my things that I do is I study hypnosis, wanting to bring it as a career. And what I do with it now, I take it and bring it inside the home.
So what you say, you hypnotize your woman?
Well, yes, but this is the interesting part of it now. You know that with all of the things you give her, mentally, you have to have the woman be mentally compatible with you, the man.
Right, okay.
All right. If you and she, they're together and they throw you up and down, the physical side of it, they throw you good together. If she's not mentally compatible with you, you have a problem,
Yes, so what's the point? Yeah.
No, what I do is I use the hypnosis to a point where I don't really put her underneath it, but I would stimulate her mind, stimulate her feelings. So if and when we come together to the whole hullabaloo scenario and stuff, she would be so uppity up and so much in it that if she feels left down road, if you not break up and go deal with somebody else, she have to go think back a yard and madly want to come back.
Okay, so real quick, in the interest of time, and for make sure so we get somewhere with this, because it's clearly is a type of topic where it's not really a mix-up in the sense whatever, but it's a type of topic where you can make a presentation, a 5-hour presentation on it. So tell me directly now how you hypnotize your woman so she can't leave you.
Well, as you say, it has to be with somebody open. She opened up to it.
No. Don't tell me about open. Just tell me what you do for hypnotize her.
Like, say for instance, we're in the home. And we ask question, how would you think? What would you think? How would that feel if you do so and so? Ask some questions, how should I think about it, and get her mind to start thinking on it. And then now, in the long interval, you surprise her with it, or go around and, just click her with it. And boom, take her by surprise. She just feel away. The surprise and make her idea with it then.
Okay, now me understand it. Well, you're using the way you're using the word hypnosis here is not in the way that real hypnotists and some psychotherapists use it and whatever. It's not in that sense. There's there are explicit methodologies for bringing a person under hypnosis and rendering them suggestive to do things that they're not aware that they're doing, and that's not what you're saying. Basically, what you are saying is you just do some unusual things in a way where mash up our head, makes you just rate it to the max. That boy, the way you different and the way you good, it will have a seemingly hypnotic effect on her. That is what you're saying, right?
Fair.
All right then, cool. So, but basically, you basically use a bossy term for just so you treat her good. You could have said that long time.
All right, sir.
You just say you treat her extra good and you go out all the way and just mash up her and I make you say, no, sir, this is money I sell off. I can't forget him just in my system, so I can't leave the money and and that you basically I say you mash up her head them way there, you know?
Right.
Now say a word, man. We understand that. Just do the extra thing and all them things. All right. Blessings and respect, here.
All right, cool.
Okay. My next caller, good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Hello?
What's up, Raga?
Wait, wait. Who this? Are you a call yesterday?
No, dear. I'm a friend.
What?
It's my friend.
I never you call yesterday?
No, dear.
Okay.
This is the boy with the tree business.
Oh, are you the call and say you have tree business and you have your tooth for shoot people and something, they don't?
Yeah, Raga.
Okay, so where you there?
Raga, the car we got mad two politician man there.
Yeah, no, we don't want you come splash up the tree and clown out the thing. We don't want you talk and say, hold on. We just want to know say, if nothing no go so, we don't want you come say something go so.
Raga, it goes and I call me a quick sure, Raga, me attack the things there.
All right, then, because we don't want you come clown out the thing and distress it.
Raga, yeah. Attack real things, Raga. But not fool with some other time to it, Raga.
Okay, so what you say, you have two politician man we are sat you?
Yeah.
So two gay politician man?
Yeah, I meet them 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago?
2 weeks ago, Raga.
Okay, then they're married?
Yeah, they're married.
So you have you meet two politicians who are married and thing, and married to women, of course, and then you meet them 2 weeks ago. Then so when you meet them now, what after you meet them? How that did go? Or you meet them? Don't tell me where you meet them doing, but just how you meet them.
Raga, we meet one society high class party.
Yeah.
Yeah, Raga. Yeah. It's one of my friends, but them don't know. One don't know some have one number. You understand? One knows family and the next one don't know family.
Well, one of the politicians don't know say you have the other one number.
Yeah.
But what you do things with the two of them?
No, but I start the things with one.
Right.
And the one that's a senan.
The one where you start the things in my senan?
Yeah, Raga.
Okay. So the one where I senan, him no know say you have the number the other one?
Yeah.
So how it go between the two of them then? What are the links them go?
Well, Raga, it's solid bar. That's a new line. You have a jolly Christmas already.
Yeah. What you say you have a jolly Christmas already?
Yeah, Raga.
And you know why your Christmas jolly? Because you have already been jolly with the lolly.
You know the things, Raga. I'm selling the lolly sweet bar.
Oh, the lolly sweet bar, aren't they?
Bad.
So one of them. So out of the two of them, one of them you sort out though.
Yeah.
Hold on, a big politician or
big politician, darling.
I mean, you call darling. Eh?
Yeah, you name darling.
Okay, all right. But all right, you may ask you just for the purpose of the call. Nobody call me darling. Just call me Raga. Here.
All right, Raga.
All right then. So what me I say now? That big politician, I don't minister or anything like that.
Somebody on a committee.
Him on one committee?
Yeah.
Okay. An MP or him?
Yes, I'm an MP also.
The two of them are MP?
Yes, Raga.
So when you start out with a politician man, I know we're married and thing as a man. Which part? I want to go hotel hour?
No, Raga, one is from a live and one go hotel with. But one I do not love because one is what?
One is what?
One in drop the pants, I'm a see Raga, but I have to run out my love.
No, give it.
Run off.
All right, we don't want no details, I said, but you
No,
say,
I'm not gonna be civil.
but basically when you drop in pants and you see the strength, you have to run, because you say you couldn't manage it. You know, you just cut.
But cut my love.
So, which one that? Which one that now?
That's the one that's That's the one.
Yeah.
Where I give my money, but I not do nothing yet.
The one where I give money, but you not do nothing yet. That type politician. Yeah. Okay, so.
Yeah.
So what? You get things from the other one?
Yeah, negative for two of them.
Well, I'm talking iPhone. You get things on the two of them?
For the two of them, right?
Okay. But so you do things with the other one, though?
Which other one?
You not do things with any of them yet?
But I do one with one.
Right.
And the one, I don't do anything as yet. Come off a cut, Raga.
Because, so wait, him heavy?
No, Raga, even down in.
In what? In what?
It's a bit free.
Oh, so that's why you run, because it's too small.
Yeah.
Oh, me thinking.
You don't want that, Raga.
You don't want that? Okay. So wait. So wait, the reason why you run is because him small and it's a bit.
Yeah, Raga.
Okay, so when you say you say big?
I mean say big as.
Big. That you call it big as?
Yeah.
Okay. Call her name, you know.
No, Raga, but I call him down.
No, I think it sounds like you just call her name a while ago. You call her name a while ago?
No, but that's a Virgin Mary.
Oh, that's a Virgin Mary.
Nothing.
Oh, okay. You see them small man, they have a Virgin Mary and them thing.
Yeah,
so
right.
how long now you sleep with, man? How long?
How long?
Yeah.
I'm 12 years old.
Well, I'm from 12.
Yeah, right.
But the guy who called you said that to him, say he must sleep with man from 12 to 12, eh?
At 12, up in high school on the track and field team.
For high school on the track and field team?
Yes, Raga.
What, like with who?
With who? The track and field teammates. When we were camping over.
You were what?
We were camping over.
You were camping over with the track and field team?
Yes, Raga.
And you do it for the first time with one of your teammates?
Yes, Raga.
And then how was it?
Raga, it was... Oh, God. My last words were God. Nice battle.
Okay. And then so from that time, you do the things I'm with man?
Mm-hmm.
Then how old you is right now?
Raga, I'm at 20.
You're 20?
Mm-hmm.
So them two politicians are right, I know one thing or whatever. We are sending our money. So what you do with one? You do everything. The one where you do things with, you do everything with him?
We do everything, Raga.
You swipe him, you swipe him?
Yeah.
Him swipe you?
Yeah, Raga, but I understand.
What?
Yeah, Raga. Not to do it so.
Then tell me something I know. Then him fix you up the other way too?
Him fix you up all type of way, Raga. But that's art.
Then you
price about that.
Well, you fix him up too?
Yeah, Raga, but that's fix him up too.
Okay.
I want the money again. The money sweet me.
Oh, the money sweet.
Approach me.
Okay, so the money you really want from the politician when you take them things there from?
Yeah, Raga, but I want the money. I want my 3 overseas man. That me want.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I forgot. You did say you have 3 overseas man. But so you just use them local politician if you just them money. So you're a prostitute. You're a gay prostitute.
No, Raga, I'm not a prostitute. That's survival.
Well, on, but you're a prostitute, gay prostitute who is surviving. No, that you're.
Raga, I am not a gay prostitute because I don't sell my body, Raga.
Well, listen to me. You just say it's the money. You just say it's the money. You have 3 man van foreign and you have 2 politicians out there. You have one of them.
One dead sad and poor.
You know one dead sad and poor. That mean nothing wrong with what me I say. You say a money you defend and whatever. But so you're doing.
Yeah, money me defend.
So you're a gay prostitute.
Money them want. Money with Raga.
Then that no means say you're a gay prostitute then, man.
No, Raga, I'm not a gay prostitute. I'm a do some about Raga.
Okay. But any man that say out you to give money do don't?
Yeah, Raga, hungriness at bar. I'm not talking with nobody. We can't give them nothing.
Okay, and you're not start out with nobody we can't give nothing?
No, Raga.
I mean, you're a man physically, but do you consider yourself a man or a woman?
I'm I consider myself as both.
You consider yourself both a man and a woman?
Yeah, Raga.
How so?
Raga come out of feminine side and when I'm out with my society friends, because I don't like the feminine, so therefore, man it up. You understand?
Oh, when you go out, you can't go, even though you're gay and thing, when you go out, you can't go on like the feminine, the part. You have to, you have to do the butch thing, though.
Yeah, I have to do the butch, I have to edit up.
Oh, so you have a way where you can, you have to have it, okay, so you have a way where you can sound like, you know, like, oh, no, you have free up on your sound. You know, you sound, the girl that come out to you right now. So, I say, you have a way where you can sound like a talk.
I can't sound like a man.
All right, well, talk like a talk for me now. Talk like a talk. I could hear you talk.
I can't talk like a talk right now, Raga. Number one, I also can't talk like a talk. That's my out. With my friends that me talk like a man.
Okay.
Because I'm out in the public. I'm in my own space now.
You're in your own space. I'm in your own space. It's all about being a girl. It's all about being a
nice house. All about nice fabulous house.
Okay, you have your own house and sitting there.
Yeah, man, everything for my comfort, Raga.
Okay. Then tell me something, I know. Then what you think about all them two politicians, I know, where you say married and thing and them are start out, man?
What I think about them?
Yeah.
Well, them nice, you know, but I don't want to let them know about them. You understand? So I try to protect them.
Yeah,
because that be so devastated for the wives, you know, and for the country.
And for the country?
Yeah.
Oh, nice of you to look out for the country there, right?
Jamaica nice in a Raga.
Well, obviously for you.
Obviously, darling. Nice bar. I spend my money, my love, they are real spread out. Nice bar.
Yo, you're sampling, you know.
But that's what me start, Raga.
Then tell me something, a regular thing, them thing are going with like some of them big shot people and thing, them in the gate thing, quietly.
That's a whole big shot number me have my love. So me want, if me want bust it, I can't bust it anytime, my love.
You have them file, no?
But just call him and say, talking in Paraguay, you rather know about you.
All right, there you are now. You have internet? But somebody like you must have your flow on your internet or something.
Yeah, I have my internet, Raga.
All right.
I have my BB service and stuff.
Well, here, what me want you for the right now. You want you send some of them information to mixupraga@gmail.com.
Set up some Ragashanti live.
No, yeah, well, you have you can send it to ragashanti@gmail.com, but who want?
Yeah, I don't want them to have Raga.
All right, you can send it to that one and make you know who do the things them here.
Yeah, Raga, me send all that information that love coming out the like that to Raga.
You out there like you know the things them don't?
Yeah, but you know the things them, I know what the things them, Raga.
Okay.
I'm not Adam, so I know.
You see?
I know who come out here the night time.
Yeah, but of course.
Thing and I lick out my love. Them members say them come here.
What you mean I sing and I lick out? What you mean like the artist them?
Like artists and so them more.
Well on.
No, but now I come to I'm gonna tell all them steer records.
Yeah.
They will meet you in New York, you know. I'll meet you somewhere far and never meet them now come here also Jamaica and I'm for that video camera and so.
Oh.
You understand, Raga?
Oh, the artists them?
Yeah. They will just buy a ticket.
Yeah.
And send it to your house. Or send it to your mail until I meet X, Y, and Z place. And they just meet them here and there.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
And then don't want certain people watch them. And say, but I know that boy there, and popular gay person in Jamaica.
Yeah.
And really, you understand? So then we'll meet them overseas, Raga.
Overseas?
Yes, Raga.
So wait, the artist...
when they come back to Jamaica and sing about this and that and Ray and say,
yeah,
me don't know my love. Say, I just music.
Okay. So have you ever gone a foreign for meet an artist and sort out the artist a foreign? You?
Couple times, Raga. Couple times.
Man, I like you tell upon the artist, man.
Raga, but that's a no drastic line. That's a drastic Raga.
Okay.
Don't drastic like that.
You see it?
Why them a pin me? Them a on the phone.
Okay, them a pin you right now.
Yeah.
Somebody sending something and right a while ago and I say a true about the foreign thing. Say you have artists who make arrangement for me to no other place and then start out the gate and do the gate thing and then come on the stage.
If for me meet the artist there, I'm just tell my friend about them. My friend say, like, that's the number for me. I'm just give them the number and then go to I'm going to try to look good.
Well, so what you say when the artist them start you and get a fix up and you tell your other gay friend them say, I lie, dash the number for me.
Dash the number for me. I'm a friend and say, well, you never won yet, tell me.
See,
the number you get, that's where.
Yeah. Then tell me something now. It's the type of thing where you're frightened if you know which artist I do it, no?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this politician I know whatever, what going to happen now? You never go and do the things,
Yeah, because I want to do the things that I'm getting my business and stuff. I improve on my business and stuff, focus on my life. I'm not going to distract me from getting what I want.
So the politician good like that, he make you talk in a tongues and them something they are him not really good, or what?
Not yet.
What?
Not yet.
The one where you do it with me talking?
No, I'm still have to teach him.
What, him not good?
Mm-hmm.
But so you are teaching him the things then?
A grandmama and grandpapa.
A grandmama and grandpapa right now?
Mm-hmm.
So what that mean? You don't know boss no style yet?
Him not boss no style, my love. I almost fixing up my love now. I'm just at bed up.
Okay.
Slaggy like parts in a pop.
Him a what?
Slaggy like parts in a pop. In none of vibes. In one of vibes. I think him Red Bull and stuff. Make him have a wings of life.
I go and die in this place here. All right, Mr.
Well, you're not dying. You're trying to pick the rudder. So it's not for true.
All right, Papa. But you be...
Come to the Papa. Come to the old.
Yo, you done the place. All right, Mr. Man. We're going to cut you.
Come to Mr. Man, lad.
What we must call you?
Come Lenisha.
What we must call you?
Lenisha.
Lenisha. Michelle, what is it? Lenisha. Legisha. Oh, L-E-N-G, Lengisha.
Yeah.
Okay, Lengisha. All right, Lengisha. We're going to call you that. All right, Miss Lengisha, you take care of her.
All right, you too. Bye-bye.
All right. Hey, Michelle, she love the arms house too.
I'm not for tell you.
Anytime them gay call I come in, Michelle, she always there on the ground, you know, man. I think. All right, that was Lengisha. Well, Lengisha sample. Because the two politicians them are married. And I moved to Lengisha. Whoa. Lengisha, send me the name them. Send it to mixupraga@gmail.com. Send it to mixupraga@gmail.com. Come on, remember I said the raga them, they spell with one G. Ragashanti spell with one G. And think we want to know the name them, you know. We want to know the name them. I don't want to give people out there, you have the hypocrite people, them do the things them we don't know. I want to send the name them, send them name, give me make update them file. Well, will I break with some file? Well, Michelle has done her investigation and Michelle find the site for the Facebook page for Lengisha. The way we run the show, I am not allowed to tell you in Facebook name unless he gave me permission to do so. But Michelle, do I look at thing and whatever and thing and we see.
Yeah.
Him that Michelle.
Yeah.
So you tell me what you think about him now. But you see him going a real woman, you know. Watch out.
But we can see what him saying play both still. You can see that little thing there where, you know, him can pull up the bad man thing if he want.
Oh, Zane. Then based on the person who you see right, I know. It's somebody who you think, give me your assessment of him, like, in terms of looks and...
Him face cool, but for somebody where claims to them comfortable and them row because I them say bling and I them say look good.
No, but I don't think he's deliberately blinging here. He's just in a casual picture there. So.
But believe it or not, I just come off of the phone with one and him say some of the things where him say a lie.
So some of the things
somebody who know him, the person who give me the Facebook link.
Say some of the things that him say a lie.
Yeah.
Like what? Like what?
You know, I never asked that through me in the studio on my phone.
Okay, Lengisha, Michelle have a link. We say, cool man. Wait, when I call her, but you go let me know. But Michelle have a link where say, you know, some of the things them where you say a lie. And yo, is that man that, you know?
Yeah. Him say dragon.
Hey, big and serious. Is that man that, you know, Michelle?
I realize.
I know start.
A film face are cool.
Yo, no for the man them out there will love running and be a sitting
Be
whatever.
Careful. What you
tell you?
Mitch,
no, but in tough though, you can't see tough, right?
But I'm tell you where him look Lasco face and Milo body.
Lasco face and
no,
Milo.
not Lenny Shana, you may this somebody somebody else.
Is that not a picture?
It's a picture where him and somebody in her.
Is that not a picture where you and somebody in?
And the person they have Lasco face and Milo body.
Milo body. Well, whatever that means, I think. People is a mix-up show, so I think set a beer arms house will go on with over here, you know, so I think set. Okay, to the phone line to go. Good afternoon, hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon, what's up?
Hi, Uncle.
Well, I'm there, I know, what go on here?
I haven't talked to you since you come a big yard.
Since me come, okay, all right.
Well, what I call about, I want to big up this big, dirty, slobber boy. And make him know, say, me no ugly. And me no pop down. Because if you could have remembered when I came to your show in December, I took a photo with you. I took
hold on. Who am I talking to, please?
Well, I don't think you remember me.
No, but it's true. A while ago, you said if you could remember, so it sounds like you were talking to me as if I know who I'm talking to.
Cool, no, man.
All right, go on, talk, yeah.
And you can't ask your anthem, because your anthem know the links and them know the date book.
All right.
After I left this dirty boy, Raga.
Yeah,
almost 2 years, the boy no want mine in Pitney.
Okay.
And as me came go a family court, that time no him go want to Pitney. The judge ordered him to pay XYZ amount in the account. He have not done that. And I go make me know so him prefer to go over whichever police station for up the 20 days because him no want to pay the money.
But does he know that after him up the 20 days him can get more?
That's what the clerk of court told him. The money still has to go. Not even going to the account, the money has to put in my hand. Raga, the man have class me over the courthouse. Oh, me ugly. How me must go on a back road go do whatever I supposed to go on a back road go do.
That didn't tell you?
Yes.
Oh.
Me couldn't downgrade myself to go and same level over the courthouse because me don't want people look at me and say if me really care this a carnage come a court. Because me never know what me I think almost 10 years ago to get involved with that the same thing. Me want him to know, so my man tell me, say, me should I tell him, say, me have ear good, and me have the gitty glamity. And anybody where go back road have something good because a good man go back road go buy things.
A good man go back road go buy things?
Yes.
And I have the stay good and the glamity.
Yes.
Okay.
And you have the must come back.
You have the must come back?
Yes.
Any man link you, him can never forget your address.
Never forget it. And I think so me should have tell him.
Okay.
So I want the big slobber boy.
Okay.
Thank the guys them for that word, the slobber. Me dirty slobber.
Okay.
And me want him know say he can't mind me.
Okay.
Because he can't pay maintenance money, so how him a go mind me. And me want him know say in woman where him did have with me, and never him the woman want, and me the woman did want, because as me left him, the woman left him.
What? Well, so the woman where him did have born you with, you are saying I never him she did want, or you she did want?
Me she did want, because as me left him, she left him. So me she did want.
No, but you can't use a reason if you say that. The only way you can say that is if the woman did step to you.
She couldn't step to me, no, come in a crab up all fear.
Okay.
She couldn't step to me.
Okay.
And, you know, I call a call from the other day and say them that they and about the lesbian, them, so them full of Portmore. Yes, Raga, because one touch me upon my breast body and I nearly kill her in a one taxi.
Well on. What really am? Tell me what. You did
Raga, I take a taxi up a Greater Portmore heading to Spanish Town. There were 3 persons in the back.
Yes.
And I make the 4th person.
Yes.
A lady, and it's like the lady don't really want to drop because she sort of have body. She don't want to drop for me sort of fix good.
Yeah.
And notice the hand. You know a man would have put up their hand in the car. So it's like more room for your shoulder.
Yeah.
And she put up her hand like that. And when I tell me, say, yeah, all right, because me don't really fix good and me want she sort of shift over.
So what? She should put her hand around your shoulder like then?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Forgive you
little
more shoulder.
Little by little, Raga. The woman hand, her hand. Reach on my breast long time.
When you say little by little, and I creep over upon your breast. A creep come right over upon your breast.
You know when You know, call it when a tiger moving towards the prey. That's how the hand. Yeah, coming out towards my breast.
So you see it come across your bed.
Come.
And then what happen?
Because me and me look out for them, you know.
Yeah.
And me turn around and me say, girl, let me tell you something. You see me? No, woman. Now come crab up on me and whatever I can really code, whatever I say.
Yeah.
Me make her know say I stick me want. Me no want no pot cover.
You don't want pot cover? I
me no want no
pot cover. Tambourine! Yes, I stick you want, you don't want pot cover.
Me no want a pot cover.
Okay.
Because me never know what it out there. Because me spend almost 7 years in a marriage and me never know what it out there. Until me meet somebody else. Because you have the man and the man don't know nothing, Raga. Nothing. Valentine's come, Raga, then the time you couldn't even afford champagne. You buy red label wine and you like the regular candle them. The man run from progress.
Okay.
And I want to tell me now me figure back road. Me not go around there.
All right then. Don't go around there. Don't go.
No, the clock of course is good something go on the back road.
The clock of course is good something go on the back road.
Yes.
You know that means the clock of court might have go around there. All right, blessings and respect here.
All right, cool.
Thank
and
you.
I'll see you on December 25th.
December the 25th, National Arena. Yay. All right, baby.
Trying to make me sick this time.
No. All right, thank you. Okay, here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
You know, say you miss up a while ago, though.
Wait, what?
You needed to ask the gay fellow.
Yeah.
Which part of the politician them come from? Here or no? The Prime Minister got England and boasted not it is in his cabinet. So we wanted to know if he's going to shock the Prime Minister for telling him that somebody in a film party.
No, it's a very good point.
Yes.
It's a very good point you bring right there, son.
Man.
Sure, man.
You need to find out which one of them.
Well, on the route, you have him number. Root, call him back there. Call him back the Root. Call him back. After we done with that call, I will call him. Because we want to know which party.
Yes.
But we want to know which party. You see?
Remember, Prime Minister show off himself, you know, man.
I said not in his cabinet.
Right.
Okay.
So we need to know.
You need to know.
And him need to know, too.
Well, him need to know, too. Because him probably going to really want to check out the cabinet.
But this a gay fella, him no easy, you know, Raga.
Him a sample, man, don't you?
Real sample.
May I tell you, man, him a real side. Him say mix up.
But so him born, because from 12, him a do it.
Yeah. But what you... Yeah? Well, we just call him in and him say PNP.
No, Jesus.
Root, a PNP him say me true. Root, the two of them, Root said him said the two of them is from the People's National Party.
All right. so the Prime Minister safe then.
Well, it look like Bruce gets it right, you know that. It look like we have yet to identify any evidence that you know, it's a cabinet make out of wood, right?
Yes.
And I don't mean to use anything as a derogatory thing, but we have yet to find any evidence that any chichi is in the wood cabinet of the Jamaica Labour Party, as they would say. Poor Jesus. Boy, yo. Hey, Bossy, what you think about, one of the things with that show here is that some things come out where people don't even know are going, but it exposes some things that are going out there. What do you think about that element there, the show?
I think it is very nice because it's a rounded show. I listen for it for laughter, you know, because it's a laughter man. Me love laugh.
Yeah.
And if me not listen to it, I do it make me waste time. But if I don't listen to it, it's like me DNA make.
Cooler man.
Yes, me I tell you. My wife hear me sometime and say, yeah, listen to Raga again. Or you say, yeah, stop listening to it. But me have to listen to it, Raga. Me I tell you the truth. Me never come and none of your show them yet. But me look forward for after me done with Miss Gluda and that take me through the rest of the day.
Cooler man. Yes. Blessings and respect, Papa.
So continue doing your good work, my boss.
All right.
In this world, people are if everybody say you're nice, something wrong with you.
Something wrong with you? Yeah, that was say.
So, go through and not pay people no mind.
Blessings and respect. I appreciate that. Protection.
Yeah, more time.
Yeah, we just get the name them. Mad. Yo, Rude. You see, the second name, You know that. No, second, you never talk that long time, say, bisexual long time. Female name I ring up long time. The second name. Not the first. I never know about the first one doing a root. No, I never, what I say, I never hear nothing about the first one. I never hear nothing about the first one. But the second one, female name I ring up long time, say, in my bunks it, say, my pan, my shit, cut two sides. You know? Long time. Female, him say, cut it so, and cut it back over so. You know? No, Michelle, you cannot see the names. When
Oh, God, brother Jesus, stop me people feel like me ask you for information. No. I bust me tech. Why would I want to know?
What?
Why would I want to know bust me a tech?
So what boss have to do it?
I'm looking at the plasma, okay?
Okay.
Stop it.
You look at the plasma TV?
Yeah.
Okay, you dream your belly for look.
No worry yourself, because I me say H.D.
Why you say high definition belly?
Plasma! H.D. plasma.
So why you beat me up to that woman, man?
Leave me alone.
Yo, give me an next caller. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, what's up?
I'm okay.
All right.
Yes, Rob, you're talking to Tiana Trendsetter Doll.
What you say a while ago? English, you did a chat a while ago?
Yes, I'm speaking English. You're talking to Tiana Trendsetter Doll.
I'm talking to Tia, and you're a what?
Tiana Trendsetter Doll.
Tiana?
Yes.
Oh, okay,
Tiana.
okay. What you mean, from the wall?
Yes, Tiana must set the trend.
Tiana, are you didn't have one piece of clash right here?
No, my love. Me not in a clash with her because me set trend, you understand?
Well, on, but when Tiana did clash on the wall, on the fan wall, what day, wicked man, I never you.
Okay. I don't mean my dear.
I want different Tiana. So what you say, I know?
Yeah, me calling my love, because me hear them talk about the politician, them talk about the DJ, them oriented. But me know no girl no set trend like me, understand? You want to know about them?
You know no girl no what?
Me know no gay, no set no trend like me, you understand? Me and Angel, me and nice clean Angel talk about.
You are what?
Me say, Raga, me say nobody no set no trend like me and Angel, understand?
Hold on. Is that man me I talk to?
Yes, you're talking to a man. You're talking to a man, Raga.
You is a man me I talk to? No, man, I joke.
Yes,
I joke.
No, Raga, me is a man. Me don't understand him. He's a man.
You is a man for true?
What you say?
Is a man me I talk to for true?
Yes, Raga, you're talking to a man. That's why me tell you he's a trend setter.
Backside, I know, but I tell you, so you trick me with that one day at all because all the time me think he's a woman.
Give it to me in person, I'll get tricked again.
Because why you look just like how you sound like woman, you look just like a woman too, right?
Rather, I mean to tell you.
So what kind of trend you are set?
I mean to tell you.
What kind of trend you are set right now?
Right now, Raga, me tell you anything come out of my house, whether in a makeup, in a yard clothes, go out in clothes, me catch any man. Any man. Me, I'm a nice mother angel. Catch any man.
When they say a nice mother angel, who you refer to?
My nice mother angel. She named Angel talk about.
Oh, your mother named Angel talk about?
Yes, Angel talk about.
And this question might sound stupid, but bear in me. And this mother you refer to is a woman,
it's
right?
It's a man.
See, they know, backside, I know. So your mother, what you refer to as the person you refer to as a mother is a man?
Yes, it's a man.
But you just say the man named Angel talk about?
Yes, the man named Angel talk about.
Yeah, and so what you say about Angel talk about? When your Angel talk about rule, what me know? What me?
Yeah, you see when we roll now, Raga, because we roll out, we X5. You see when we roll out now, Raga,
yeah.
They tell us all eyes on us. You understand?
Okay.
Any man.
I'm going to take any man.
Take any man we love.
Then, hold on. Who never trick straight man or anything like that?
So, Raga, a regular asylum, quad, privilege. Raga, what may I tell you, Raga? Make sure a regular all fiction, and we done them place there. Nobody not done it like we. Nobody.
So, hold on. The man them don't know so. The man them don't know so. Una man.
No, Raga, because he's the exact replica of a lady.
Say that again.
He's the exact replica of a lady.
Okay, so then me I say, but you never do nothing with it. You never
No, born natural. Born natural. Born natural.
Okay, so you don't have no changes or anything or whatever.
No changes. No changes, so, my love. Me and my boyfriend go out anywhere, anytime.
So when you say take any man, where you like you take where man from woman?
Yeah, I want to you, brother. Me say, brother, you have to give me a joke. Policeman, soldier, selector, DJ, politician, and if you tell you, producer, radio personnel.
The whole spectrum of them.
The whole aspect and the spectrum.
Them know say una man, but even though them soon as woman, them know una man though, right?
No, like after a while, you know, we talk to them and get into them, my love, and all them astonish and shock. Them say true beauty. Them just have to turn our way.
What you mean? Like when them eventually find out, so them a move. Them a move to you as a woman, but then are you saying?
Move to as a woman, you know what the plan? You know that honestly speaking, I wasn't born a girl, I'm actually a boy. Them the plan. Yo, God no be. Not tell no way I have me anyway, so my office still stay with you. As I said, that's how we roll.
Well, listen, we run out of time. The producer says she want to call you back tomorrow. Is that okay?
Yes, come and give me number, my love.
No, you do it half the year, though. She will take it half the year. Here? All right, poor Jesus. Hey, remember me tell you. Michelle. John Star. Me nah lie. What the motto for the show? Laugh, learn, and grow. Laugh, learn, and grow. That's the motto for the show. And yo, when I can't stay in a pre-certain levels where I go on, hey, let me tell you, I'm at this certain place. Chris Cross, I mean, he said just fall back and go and pray and watch it.
I don't have to go nowhere, I don't go nowhere. I hype for them go put down privilege on everywhere.
Yeah, he's like, that some of them just appear so confident. And you know, the first time I see that, I shock. I went years ago, I go New York and drop on 42nd Street, and my uncle Willie, I said, yo, so what you think that? The first time I drop him, so what you think about all them, man? Them woman over there, so I say, yeah, them woman, them. What about them? Them look good, man. Said, none of them are not woman. I nearly dropped down. I nearly dropped down. I mean, a boy, you can't look and swear a man, I just a